Hi, today is my grandma's 95th birthday. She's very old, lived a very long life, has a lot of kids. We have a really big party downstairs for her. I'll show you guys my dress. It's from Zara. It's gonna be a really big party. There's like 300 people here. See you later, I guess.
A few moments later.
My auntie made me put on a shirt over because I'm doing the first reading during the mass. Kind of shy, yo.
Resting areas and pavilion that you can take a rest for a while. Their diet, we give them dressed chicken or beef and they can eat up to 8 kilos.
We have the biggest bird here.
There's a bird on my head.
Guys, sila.
It's cold. Mom. Hi everyone, I'm currently at CEBU Safari. It's in my dad's hometown. I'm living my best Steve Irwin life, looking at the wildlife. It's really nice here.
So if you try to shave them off, all you can see is black.
Get out. Me. Get out. What's up, viewers?
So we have a total of 6 blue and gold Acoustic. So the tiger spells C-I-G-E-R.
Where is it? The tiger's there.
Oh, they're fighting.
They're fighting.
They're fighting.
They're fighting.
Oh no, hala.
Nag-usap sila, nag-away.
Nag-away.
This is
Eat it. Bye. Hi. Lily.
Emperor Johnny Luke. Emperor Johnny Luke. Please proceed.
Gonna meet my baby. I'm gonna meet my anak. Sad. Sad.
Holding my neck.